Hello and good morning, students. For class 11th, we are studying chapter number 9, Biomolecule. This is the lecture number 7 in class 11 biology, and today our topic is enzyme. Our topic is enzyme. This is the last topic of this chapter. It take 2 days. Today we are studying some of the points about the enzymes, like what is enzymes. You can say definition of enzymes, structure of enzymes, nature of enzyme action, action of mechanism of enzyme reaction, and nomenclature of enzyme. So very first we are studying about the enzymes. What is enzymes? The word enzyme was given very first by Kohene. Kohene given word enzyme. The word enzyme given by Kohene. And first enzyme discovered gymase from yeast. Yeast is a fungus. Yeast is a fungus by which first enzyme derived or discovered. The name is zymase. But the definition of enzyme, what is the enzymes? Enzymes are biocatalyst. Enzymes are known as biocatalyst. It means they fast the reaction. They make fast the reaction in the cell. And made from the proteins. So enzymes are made from the proteins. They are also called biocatalyst. They make faster the reaction. They make faster the reaction by using of low energy, low activation energy. So enzymes work at the low temperature or at the low activation energy, make the faster of the reaction of the simple reactions. Normally we can study this an example. What is the examples? We take a bread part. And put on pepsin enzyme or amylase enzymes. We take a bread part and take amylase enzyme on that without the cell, outside the cell, on palm or on a bowl. We take a bowl, we take bread parts and the amylase. This is not a cell, this is bowl. This is without cell reactions. It takes times 10 to 18 hours. To dissolve this bread part. Bread is the starch. And it converted into the glucose by the digestion by the amylase. Amylase is the enzymes. But when we do this reaction into the cell, into the stomach, that is the stomach, intestine, we do this reaction into the cell, then we saw that it takes starch converted into glucose, it takes only 4 to 6 hours and take at a lower temperature. So enzymes is the biocatalyst. They do reaction fast in the cell by taking lower energy, taking a lower time. So enzyme is very important for us. They are made from the proteins. They take a smaller time than the normal reaction at the low activation energy, and they are called biocatalysts. So this is the definition of enzymes. Kohene given the term enzyme very first, and gymase enzymes was discovered very first in the East. This is a A fungus. Topic number second. Enzymes, structure of enzymes. Enzymes are made from the proteins or a protein part. Some of the enzymes are made from the proteins. Mostly enzymes are made from the proteins. The enzymes are called holoenzyme. Holoenzymes. They are made from the apoenzymes. Enzymes plus cofactor. Cofactors is of coenzymes, prosthetic group, and metal ion activator. So enzymes are made from the two parts. One part is the proteinous part. This is the proteinous part. And this is the aproteinous part. Aproteinous part. This is the enzymes. It made up of the heavy part is the proteinous part. The main part is the proteinous part. This is the proteinous part. This is the proteinous part. Proteinous part called apozyme or apoenzyme. Apoenzyme. And this one is the aproteinous part. This one is the aproteinous part named or called cofactor. Cofactor. This may be of coenzyme, this may be of prosthetic group, and this may be of the metal ion activator. Okay? So protein is, enzymes is made from the protein or the aproteinous part. So this is the proteinous part called apoenzymes. The metal ion activators may be of zinc, Mg, Manisons. So they may be of zinc, Mg, zinc plus 2, Mg plus 2, and the prosthetic group, the prosthetic group may be of the like as the Fe plus 3 or coenzymes. They can be of vitamins. Vitamins like niacin, and many others. Some of nucleic acids work as the enzymes, like riboenzyme. When RNA work as the enzymes, then it called ribonuclease enzymes. RNA is digested by that. So, structure of enzymes, the main part of the enzymes is made from the proteinous part, that is called apoenzymes, and the other part, that is aproteinous part, that is called cofactor. Cofactor is the aproteinous part and apoenzyme is the proteinous part. Both of attach to each other and make holoenzyme or main enzyme. The cofactor may be of the coenzymes like as vitamins. Examples, if vitamins is attached to the proteinous part, if vitamins is attached to the proteinous part, then it called coenzyme. If prosthetic group is attached to the proteinous part like as Fe plus 3, then they call the enzymes of the prosthetic enzymes. And if metal ion activator like as zinc, magnesiums attached to the proteinous part, then they call metal ion activator enzymes. So name is given according to that, according to the cofactors. If cofactor is metal ion activator, then enzymes called metal ion activator enzyme. If there is cofactor as the proteinous part, then it called prosthetic enzyme. And if coenzymes and if vitamins are found as the cofactor, then they are called coenzymes. So according to the cofactor, that can be changed like as coenzyme, prosthetic group and metal ion activators, then enzymes is named differently. So this is the basic structure and normal structure of the enzymes. Topic is the nature of enzyme action. How to work the enzyme, how to react the enzymes. Some of the enzymes work to digest the nucleic acids like as ribonuclease. It digests the ribonucleic acid RNA. So some of the enzymes are found to dissolve the nucleic acids unrelated to the nucleic acid. They are called riboenzymes, ribozyme, ribonuclease. Examples, ribonuclease. Mostly enzymes are made from the proteinaceous. The main part or the big part is proteinaceous part and small part is the aproteinaceous part. Then next topic is the nature of enzyme action. How to work the enzymes? Enzymes work on substrate. Work on substrate. Enzyme work on substrate and make ES complex. ES complex. Finally, E enzymes is released. Agit. This is the enzymes. This is the substrate. Substrate complex. This is also enzyme, release same, and this is product. So enzyme is find like as the tertiary or tetrate structure. Tertiary or tetrate structures, on that sum of points are find. Sum of points are find. Sum of points are find called activation sites. Called activation sites. On that substrate are attached. On that substrates are attached. These are the substrate and make this is the enzyme, this is the substrate, make ES complex. ES complex. Here substrate attached, here substrate attached, here substrate attached. They react to each other. Substrate react to each other and break the old bonds and make the new bonds. So finally we get product like as, and enzyme is also find as it. Enzyme is also find as it. So the nature of enzyme action, there is two reactions are find. One is to formation of ES complex and lower the activation energy. Enzymes work on the substrate to make the product by using of low activation energy. If we use enzyme in any of reaction, it slow down, goes down to the and low down the activation energy by using the enzymes, and ES complex is made up. ES complex, finally S is converted into product. Enzyme is released as it, because enzyme is not used in reaction. We know catalyst is not used in the reactions. So this is the reaction nature of the enzyme action. Very first, it make ES complex. In this 4 steps or 3 steps are find like as step number 1. Enzymes is the tertiary or tetrate structure of protein. Enzyme is the tertiary or tetrate structure of the proteins. First point, enzyme is the tertiary or tetrate structure in the nature, and they have some specific sites. Name of the activation sites. Name of the activation site. The very first point. Second point, substrate are attached to on that sites. Substrate are attached to on that sites and make ES complex. Point number 2. Okay. The substrate react with substrate react to each other and break the old bonds. Old bonds are breaked and new bonds are found. By the reaction of the substrate. Enzyme only give the place to attach the substrate, to capture the near about the substrate, and then substrate react to each other and make a new bonds by breaking of the old bonds. And finally, fourth point, we get products. Change in change in shape and size, and enzyme get as it like used in reaction. It is not used in reaction, but like as we take the enzymes in the reaction, we get H at the reaction, end of the reaction we get the enzymes. But substrate change into the products, products has new bonds. So this is the first step of nature making of ES complex and product. This reaction is the next point, action of mechanism of enzyme reaction. This action of mechanism of enzyme reaction do by the lowering of the activation energy. By the lowering of the activation energy. How activation energy is lower? You can understand this by an example, like as if we want the gas. If we want the gas, we take lighter and put it on the flame, on the gas, then flame is arise. Flame has higher energy, but the lighter energy has lighter is the low energy. So we give a small energy to make the faster the reaction. Activation energy is the small energy, activation is the low energy, which is essential to produce higher energy by the enzymes. So lowering the activation energy, it is to explain by a graph. This is activation energy. This is time of reaction. Time of reaction, process of reaction. It is also called process of reaction. This is start like as using how much activation energy? Without reaction without enzyme. It take a long time, that it take a long time, and use higher activation energy. When we use the enzymes, by using enzymes, activation energy is low. It use low activation energy. This is the B. This is the A point. A, B, structure B. And it take a shorter time. This is the time, shorter time by using of the enzymes. It is the longer time by using without the enzymes. So activation energy, when we use the enzymes, the activation energy is low in the process, in the enzyme action. So this is the graph. This is a very important graph. When we don't use enzyme, the reaction take a long time and take a higher energy, activation energy. And when we use the enzymes, the reaction complete in the shorter time by using of the low activation energy. What is the activation energy? The energy which is used to start the reaction. The energy, the small energy to start the reaction, it is called activation energy. So we get lower activation energy in the enzyme reaction. Enzyme substrate reactions. So this is the nature of the enzyme action. Finally, to explain the action of mechanism of enzyme reaction after the lowering of the activation energy, two methods are used to explain the process of the action of mechanism of enzyme reaction. These are the two methods. Two methods are used. The first enzyme reaction methods. Enzyme reaction methods. One is key lock theory. Second is induced fit theory. What this is say? Emil Fischer. This is given by Koshland. This is given by Emil Fischer. What it say? That enzyme has specific activation sites. These are defined as the lock. A lock has some specific point where key is fitted, like as one enzyme has activation site perfectly. So these are the activation sites. Activation sites. This is the enzyme. The substrate is found like as these are the substrate. They are found like as the key which fit into the lock. So they react to each other and make how? This one. These are the activation site and these are the substrate. So substrate put into these are the substrate put into and make the ES complex. These are the ES complex. Finally, enzyme released as it, whereas we taken enzyme released, but they react to each other. Substrate react to each other and make the products, but they are changed in shape and size, like as they can be get this type of the, and this type of the, any of the size and shape we can get. So these are the products. So in this reaction, substrate break their old bonds and make the new bonds, and products we get find. But enzyme we use in the reaction, we get as it after ending of the reaction, in between ES complex is produced. But in this theory, Emil Fischer said that enzyme has some activation site like as the lock, and substrate it work as the key. So it is called lock and key model. It said that activation sites are particular in the point in the numbers find already on the enzymes. But induced fit theory given by Koshland, it says that enzyme has not any of activation site. This theory said that there is no key and lock model, but enzymes had not any of activation site. There is no activation site find on the enzymes, especially preferably before the reaction. When substrate touch that, attack that, like as this on the place, activation sites are arised according to the substrate, and they fit in the activation site. So activation sites are produced where that substrate struck on the enzymes on the place. Then ES complex made, enzymes we get find as we use like as that enzyme, and products are find they are changed in shape and size. So the basic difference between induced fit theory given by Koshland and the lock and key model given by Emil Fischer, that Emil Fisher said that lock and key model actor side is fixed, but Coastland not said that. They said that actin site arise according to the substrate, and finally substrate is changed into the product enzyme beget find. So this is the process of enzyme reaction methods. Then we study about the nomenclature of the enzymes. What is the nomenclature of the enzyme? Nomenclature is given by three types. Nomenclature of the enzymes. Some of enzymes was named generally, like as pepsin, renin, trypsin. They are given the name generally, normally. They are not based on any of the method, any of the method. Second one, when suffix use is after the substrate material, like as lactose is the sugar substrate. When ACE is count, ACE, then it made lactase. It made, this is the enzymes which work on lactose. Lactose is the sugar. Sucrose. When OS is turned out by the age, sucrase, then it is the enzyme. Sucrase work on the sugar. So when is suffix on the substrate, then named is given like as lactase, sucrase, etc. Third one method is the after the reaction, या prefix use on the reaction, like carbooxidation is the reaction. Carbooxidation is the reaction in which CO2 is released. When CO2 is released, it is called carbooxidation. So we use ACE prefix carboxylase, ASE. When prefix is used on the reaction, then it may be of carboxylase enzyme. Oxidase, the enzyme which use when oxygen molecules oxidation reaction is find. So reaction is find, then prefix is used as on the reaction, then their nomenclature can be said oxidase, carboxylase, oxidase, reductase, phosphooxidase, many so on. This is given by the reaction, is the nature of the reaction. When we use as the suffix, as the prefix, then these enzymes named was given. When suffix is used as on the material, on the substrate, then lactase, sucrase are found. Generally, some of given by the pepsin, renin and trypsin. Finally, International Union of Biological Nomenclature given the name of the enzymes finally like as L-amino acid carboxylase. What is the meaning? It means L-amino acids is substrate put before the enzyme name, and the reaction of nature, reaction is used after that, and is used as the prefix. So it is the L-amino acid carboxylase. When we used both of the substrate and the reaction, when we use both substrate and the reaction, So substitute put before the reaction, and end of the reaction is used. So it is the best method of the nomenclature of just like as the sucrose dehydrogenase is used after the reaction, but the sucrose is the substrate put before the reaction. So these are the best method of the nomenclature of reaction. So finally, today we study about the enzymes. We are revise in some minutes. What are enzymes? Enzymes is biocatalyst made by the proteins and aprotein part. Protein part is called apoenzyme. Aprotein part is called cofactor, divided in three groups: coenzyme, prosthetic group, metal ion activator. Most of the proteins are made by the protein nature or protein part. Cohene was given the name enzymes, and first enzyme gymase in discovered in the East. Then enzymes, structure of enzymes, then enzymes, mechanism or reaction of enzymes. Substrate and enzymes join to each other and make ES complex. Finally, enzyme is released agit and substrate is converted into product. For the understanding this process, two reactions are used: making of the ES complex and lowering of the activation energy. What is activation energy? Activation energy is the energy which is used to start the enzyme substrate reaction. It is small energy. If we don't take activation energy, lower energy, if we don't take enzyme in the reaction, then reaction use higher energy and take a long time. When we use the enzymes in the reaction, we saw that in the lowest time, getting the lower energy, the reactions faster than the normal reactions. So enzymes make the faster the reaction because they are called biocatalyst. ES complex in ES complex, enzymes are the tertiary or tetrade nature of proteins having some activation sites on that substrate are attached to each other. Finally, in between the substrate reaction, old bonds are broken and new bonds are prepared, and then products are found. Enzyme is found as it. For understanding this, two models are given, like and lock and key model. It given by the Emil Fischer. They said that enzyme had fixed activation sites on that substrate are attached, and finally products are found. But Koshland said that induced theory, there is no specific activation sites found on the enzymes. They produce according to the substrate attached on the enzymes, and then products are found. So these are the basic difference between the induced theory and the Lock models. This is the nature. Finally, nomenclature of the enzymes. Normal nomenclature is given like pepsin, renin, trypsin. But when suffix is used on the substrate like as sucrose, then enzyme given a name of sucrase, lactase. Third one is if we use suffix after the reaction like as carboxylase, oxidase, reductase. And finally, if we take on the substrate before, after that reaction, and we use finally ase end of the reaction, then this is the best method for the nomenclature of the enzymes like as L-amino amla carboxylase. In this, L-amino is substrate and carboxylase it means carboxylation is the reaction, and finally ase is used. So this is the method of the enzyme nomenclature. So today we study the half part of the enzymes. We will study the end part of the enzymes next day. Thank you very much.